Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, guys? Rover Pursuits in the house. I know it's been a while. I got a lot to talk about. You see got me a new dog, Harley. She's a Australian cattle dog, blue heeler. She's highly energetic, so I got to get her out very often. And that's what I want to go forward, starting with this, start on a new phase of the channel, I guess, which is actually posting. Still a little sick. Not COVID, just the actual cold. Going outside without the proper gear. So I got a little cold, but we still going outside. So just trying to reinvigorate the channel again. Got a new dog, just having some new adventures. What I want to do is I want to get out every single day and post every single day. Obviously it won't happen, but at least for the majority of the time I can get out, get the dogs out, go on a little walk, a hike, whatever it is, to because I got to get Harley out every day. And why not you see her. Why not just post it, record it and post it, get some content going, get some ideas flowing for how I want to take this channel going in the future. So let's get to it. Hey, what's up, y'all? Rover Pursuits. Roving. Oh, I'm already about to fall and bust my ass. Just got on this trail. Figure I put the camera on Harley most of the time. Feel like she trying to boo-boo or something. Trigger doing his normal boo-booing everywhere. Peeing and boo-booing. Harley. She's a heat-seeking missile out here. Look, all she wants to do is run up. She don't even need to see anything. Only way Trick going up there is if he see a deer or something. So it's a nice little trail. It's pretty. It's right within the middle of the city. People come get their fill of nature. A lot of people, it's like a health walk. People could walk along the other side of the creek. It's like a 2 mile up and down, 5 mile total. Look at her, she get out here, it's like heaven. So it's a nice little cool area of the city. For me, I've been coming over about 10 years since I first got Queen and Trigger. I love it. It's a nice workout rather than just a walk. You know, you got these up and down hills and rough terrain you really got to work through. Trigger! This fool way back there, what are you doing? Did you boo-booing that much? Harley, Hey, girl. Harley! Harley! Good girl. What is it? Ugh. We usually keep going. You go all that way. It's a long way you can go. Get a nice little hike in. But I ain't gonna mess with that. Look, she already know. You can run the ridge. Come on, girl. Oh, she gonna try to drink some of this water. Come on, Trigger. Come on. Get out. Harley, get out. Come on. Come on, girl. Trigger. Trigger. See, he not gonna come. Trigger. You gonna try to smell something before I get here. You can get snacks too still, old man. Man, I don't know if it was a good idea to wear this jacket and this hoodie. It's a fairly nice day out. You can sort of see. Fairly nice day. Even though it's about to hit winter real soon. It's probably like 50 something. So I'm starting to sweat. My head probably starting to sweat. But it's one of the best days to get out. I should have brought the drone out. Matter of fact, I think I might go somewhere. Oh well, for y'all that didn't know, I got a drone as well. And why the hell I don't have any drone footage up on the channel yet. That's what this is about going forward. Roving pursuits. Challenging myself to pursue all of my interests. And maybe those interests will lead me to places and to people I didn't know and could help me moving forward. So that's what Roving Pursuits is about. It definitely will be about going into the future. No sitting on my ass. Get my butt out. Do stuff. Get up, do stuff. Get up, do stuff. Get up, do stuff. Get up, do stuff. Guess who want to do stuff? She want to do stuff. And she gonna tear my damn house apart if I don't get her ass out and do stuff. So plenty of incentive. Y'all didn't see that. Good thing I had something to fall on. I know she gonna get down there and get her some Wawa. Of course she biting it. No, girl. She looking at you. See something? This is the best spot to get up. Harley, come on. Harley. Come on. listen. Where's he going? Mr. Don't Listen. Y'all just gonna keep going. I'd rather climb up this steep ass hill over here. Oh. Come on, boy. We're gonna go back the other way. He's making it. Come on, boy. Y'all saw that jump? Folks, so we're leaving the park, headed back home, go do some work. She would get the scratch on the window all up. Yeah, so got through a little walk. Now I gotta do this. I'm doing this every day, y'all. I'm not playing, man. I gotta get in shape. I keep Harley active. Trigger, he can stay active. He getting old, so he needs to stay active. I got a few different spots too. I can go to a different spot every day. 5 to 7 different spots I can go to. So I can go to a different spot every day, get a different type of workout, different type of walk, different type of view for the channel, for the video or whatever. But yeah, Rover Pursuits. I was explaining what this channel was about. It's about me getting off my ass and going to do and pursue all the interests and passions that I've held for quite a while. I've just been lazy, listless and lazy. That's the only explanation for it. Or comfortable, probably is more as a better description. I've just been comfortable the last 5 to 10 years. And I just got to get out of my comfort zone, y'all, and go do different stuff and get myself exposed to different sides of the world, different aspects of the world. That's part of who I am, and I've just not pursued that part of myself as vigorously as I should be or should have been. But going forward, y'all, this is what it's about for me. We started with this, getting out every day, getting the dogs for a walk, getting myself for a walk, and from there we're going to build from there. I want to go hiking, camping, far out from the city. This thing I do every day obviously is going to be in the city. I got a bunch of different spots within the city that I like, that are good walks, good open spaces to get the dogs running, get my heart breathing, or not my heart breathing, but my heart pumping, get my lungs opened up. So that's what it's about. Future things I want to do with the channel. I got a lot of, like I said, this is sort of a vlog, but I don't have that interesting of a life, but I want to interestify, if that's a word, interestify, make my life more interesting, doing the different stuff that I'm interested in. One, I want to learn languages, man. A few different languages. I was learning French as I was growing up, so I want to actually learn French. I know a lot of people, not only French people speak French. A good portion of Africa, not a small portion of Africa speaks French. Plenty of people in the Caribbean speak French. So I can open up my ability to talk to different people in the diaspora. I want to learn Spanish. I think we all know Spanish is a good language to learn. But I don't want to stop there, guys. I want to learn like 5 languages. Because I want to learn those 2. I know English, obviously. But I also want to learn some Asian languages. I want to learn Arabic. I want to learn Hindi. And possibly Mandarin. Or Japanese, one of those 2. Mandarin or Japanese. I'll figure out which Asian people I want to speak to. I don't want to say it like that, but you know, you learn French, Spanish, Hindi, and Arabic, you are speaking to most of the world. And then if I learn Mandarin, I could probably speak to anybody in the world. Obviously not everybody, but at least 75 to 80% of the world I would be able to speak to. I spoke those 5 languages, those 6 languages, including English. So language is a big thing I want to learn. I'm 37, so I'm not in the wheelhouse of having that sponge-like mind, but I'm pretty sure I can do it if I have the passion to pursue it. I can do it. So I think that's a good tagline. If you have the passion to pursue it, you can do it. And that's what I'm all about. Having that passion to pursue what you want to pursue. And in essence, you can do it. So language is a big thing. I really want to get into language. Obviously, I'm not tied to having to learn all of those, but I got to learn French and Spanish. I got to. The next 5 years, I got to learn French and Spanish. That's important for me. The more Asian languages, those are outliers and options. If I get to a good place with French and Spanish, I want to learn those other 3. Language. Other things is STEM type stuff. My background is in architecture, so I love the whole STEM area, design, making stuff, doing models, and using 3D printers, and doing programming and stuff like that. So that's going to be a good part of this channel. Adventure, traveling, getting out, camping and stuff. That goes without saying. And then the dogs, maybe I'll do some. Oh, you alright? You alright, girl? Be careful now. With the dogs, I think I want to do like not training videos. I don't want to teach anybody. I'm not here to teach. But just show the different tricks and obedience that I have with my dogs. Who knows? Maybe I can teach in real life if I master that. But first part is just to get my dogs to a really good spot where I feel good about their obedience and the obedience level. So I'm about to pull up in the driveway, y'all. Call this video a wrap. Rover Pursuit, y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This is gonna be everyday occurrence for me.